everybody, this is Boone White with the 323 Concept Furniture Restoration here. Today I'm doing a quick demonstration video on a pneumatic decorative tack nailer, and I got one of these for a project probably a year ago. And I think I had 8 of these chairs, and let me preface this by saying I'm not a professional upholsterer. I would say a novice, so many professional upholsterers would probably have a lot to pick apart about the upholstery on this, which I completely understand and agree with. So that being said, I got this gun, being that I had 8 of these chairs to do. I think there were close to 250 decorative tacks per chair. So I got this decorative tack nailer, and this thing probably saved me, I would say, at least 5 to 6 hours when you're talking about all of the nails on all these chairs. So, and these guns have really gone down in price over the last few years. I remember when I first started doing upholstery a few years ago, I remember these guns being several $100s, and it seems like the price has drastically dropped. But they're made by a company called Meite. At least the brand that I got is. They're a very well-known brand, and have a good reputation as well. So basically you load up your decorative tacks onto these little nylon spacer tubes, and basically you just slip the sleeve of the gun over the decorative tacks to load it into the gun and then shoot it. It's very effective, very efficient way of doing things. This is a 5/8 inch gun and decorative tacks that I use, but a more common size is the 7/16. So I'm going to link that up in my bio where you can find that, but I wanted to do a demonstration of it and just let people know about it. I wish I had known about it sooner. They also make a model that auto feeds. It's obviously going to be a little bit more expensive. I found that this one was fine for what I was doing, so that's the one I got. I didn't see any specifications on what compressor you would need. It did say 60 to, I think it said 60 to 90 psi is what you want to shoot it at. But anyways, really hope y'all enjoyed the video, and just really enjoyed being able to see what a gun like this can do, how it can speed up your work. If you do a lot of upholstery and a lot of decorative tacks, these will pay themselves off in no time. So I know really seasoned upholsterers can put on decorative tacks a lot quicker than a newbie like me, but I would say the gun is still faster. But anyways, if you got any questions or comments, please feel free to comment below. I'd love to chat with y'all. But I'll link this gun in our link tree and in the video description of our YouTube channel if you want to find it. But other than that, thanks for tuning in, and we hope to see y'all next time.